And he calls banks pretender lenders because they loan you the money. Then what do?
They sell it.
They sell it. They create some paperwork. They push it through. 6 months to a year later, the loan is seasoned and they sell it to someone else and they go on and do the next one. Guess what? I know people who buy notes. Individuals, not banks. I know people who do that. Actually got hit by a Facebook group this week. Note buyers. They sent me a message. Asked me to join or like or something like that. Of course. And I went in and posted. Are you guys looking to buy notes in Alabama? Yes, tell me. What do you got? What do you want for it? What are the details? I'm asking because.